Most men think attracting women is about money, looks, or clever lines, but the truth might surprise you, because the real way starts from the inside and shows on the outside without force. Women are naturally drawn to men who are calm, confident, and comfortable with themselves, not men who are trying too hard to impress. Confidence is not loud behavior, it is quiet self-belief, shown by how you speak clearly, stand tall, and are not afraid to be yourself. Purpose is another powerful attraction, because when a man knows where he is going in life, people feel it, even without words. Taking care of your body, dressing clean, and smelling good shows self-respect, and self-respect attracts respect from others. Listening is also key, because when you truly listen, you make a woman feel seen and valued, which is rare today. Humor helps too, not forced jokes, but natural playfulness that comes from being relaxed. The biggest secret is not chasing approval, because the moment you stop needing validation, you become more magnetic. When you focus on building your life, your skills, and your happiness, attraction becomes effortless, because confidence, purpose, and authenticity always speak louder than words.